True Beauty, What Beauty and the Beast Teaches Us. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Belle, known for her kindness and love of books. Despite her beauty, Belle valued inner qualities over appearances. One day, her father was captured by a terrifying beast who lived in an enchanted castle. To save her father, Belle offered to take his place as the beast's prisoner. At first, Belle was frightened of the beast's intimidating appearance and temper. However, as time passed, she discovered that beneath his monstrous exterior lay a kind and gentle heart. The beast, in turn, was touched by Belle's bravery, intelligence, and compassion. The story takes a dramatic turn when Belle leaves the castle to care for her sick father. The beast, despite his deep love for her, lets her go because he values her happiness above all else. When Belle learns that the townspeople plan to harm the beast, she rushes back to save him. Her genuine love breaks the spell that had turned the beast into a monster, restoring him to his human form, a kind and noble prince. Moral of the story: Beauty and the Beast teaches us that true beauty lies within. Outer appearances can be deceiving, and it is a person's character, kindness, and love that truly matter. It also reminds us that selflessness and understanding can lead to personal growth and the breaking of barriers. Subscribe now channel and join us.